In your divorce settlement, can you force your ex to pay half of your debts? It's a great question. Well, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues right here in the state of Michigan. And today, we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. You have to understand that everybody's used to dividing stuff in a divorce. What people may not be used to and may not think about is we also have to divide debt too. What happens with the debt? You know, we run into couples, they have $50,000 of credit card debt. It's a lot of debt. It comes up for a lot of different things. If it comes up during their marriage, for the most part, it's going to be marital, which means somebody's going to take $25,000 of that debt to the other person's $25,000 of that $50,000. So we divide debt. Joint debts are going to consider to be shared equally. Now, there may be separate debts that maybe somebody had, let's say, before the marriage, that they carried into the marriage. Those debts should probably be handled separately. Those should be regarded as separate. A very interesting question that comes up is what happens if somebody has a debt in their own name, but it's like student loan debt for medical school. Now they're in private practice and they have a thriving medical practice. And then 10 years into the medical practice, they get divorced. What happens? Well, the medical practice in and of itself, that may be an asset. You may say to the other side, well, wait a minute, I have all of this debt. Well, if the practice is booming, then what'll probably happen is the part of the debt that occurred before the marriage, your ex is not going to be responsible for that, and the practice will be split. Every now and then you have a situation where somebody has a student debt and they haven't actually gone into practice yet. I saw this once before where a woman had gone to podiatry school, had a big debt, never actually practiced. So the question is, in the divorce, now she wants him to pay part of the debt. Well, you want him to pay part of the debt. If the debt is in your name and it's premarital, why should he pay it? He got nothing out of the fact that you had the degree, you got the education, you're educated, you pay, you keep the debt. That's one way of looking at it. And another way to look at it is, okay, he'll split the debt with you, but if you go into private practice ever, and you may well do that, guess what? Guess who you're 50% partner with? Him. Why? Because he paid half your school debts. There's different ways that the court can tweak that. So it's a very interesting question about the student loans and how that works with professional degrees. But generally speaking, if it's marital debt, even if it's in your own name, the court is likely to order it split equally in accordance with its obligation to split the marital estate in an equitable manner. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3333. 248